Alright, next up is anagram. So given two strings S and T, return true if the strings are anagrams of each other, otherwise return false. The contains the exact same strings as another character, but the order of the characters can be different. Okay. This is the exact same question as the last one. So there's just a little bit more going on. I'm trying to think of the best way to do this here. One way to do it is you could loop over it, over the strings, store them each in a list, each character, and then you can turn the lists both into sets and compare them, and if they, oh no you can't actually. What would you do here? I'm going to use a hash map. So I'm going to pull up Paint. I'm going to do exactly what I did before. So I'm going to make a hash map with S. I'm going to make S map and I'm going to make T map. Then I'm going to stick all of the letters with their counts in. And then I'm going to compare the hash maps. That's what I'm going to do. First, I'm just going to quickly check. Can we compare dictionary in Python? I'm almost certain we can. Yep. How many pairs are equal? I'm just gonna hope that that works. I'm pretty sure it should. Alright, an anagram is a string that contains, yep, okay, so we're gonna create S map, we're gonna create T map. Straight away we're gonna do if len of S does not equal len of T, we're gonna return false. Then we are gonna go for I in range len S. Now we know that they are the same length, so we can do if S I in S map, you can do S map S I plus equals 1. Else S map S I equals 1. Then we're going to do if Ti in Tmap T goodness Tmap Ti plus equals 1, else Tmap Ti equals 1. Yep, that should work. If T equals Tmap equals Smap, return true, else we will return false. This should work. Cool. So what we're doing here, for anyone that doesn't understand, is a dictionary. The keys are going to be the individual letters. So let me just print out S1, S2, S3. So let's see. Yep, so ACE, these letters here. We're storing them in a dictionary, which I can print here. Print smap. So we can see that there's two R's in race car, there's two A's, two C's, and one E. Then we do the same for T, car race, which is obviously an anagram, and it's going to have the same thing. Then we compare the two, and if they have the same letters and the same amount of letters, then they're anagrams, and we've got it all here. And then if they're not, then we return false. Up here, if they're different lengths, it means that there's different amounts of letters, so it can't be an anagram. We do this so we can just use one loop here. But yeah, I assume this is the correct way of doing it. Yeah, it looks like it's doing pretty much the same thing. Just they've got a nicer loop here. So yeah, that's how we do it.